What's up you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie here. So I'm so excited to do this video. I know this is me in my like super crusty form. My hair is terrible, it's just in two twists and I have no makeup on. I'm just there. But I recently got new filming equipment. I got myself a ring light, a 10-inch ring light. So it's going to be an unboxing of the ring light. Unfortunately, I am so impatient, so I already opened it and everything. So yeah, but I also bought myself a stand. My ring light comes with a stand, but I bought another stand to hold my phone or a camera when we get one finally. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing like a haul and everything that I got and just bring it up. So yeah, I'm like this because I bought it from a person. If I bought it myself, I think it would come in a proper package. But the ring light, it's 10 inches, 26 centimeters. It's got 3 light settings. The box for the stand came separately. So this is the stand. It looks like this. Basically, when you take it out of the box, yeah. So it stretches all the way up to 2 meters or something, if I'm not sure. That's what it said on the package. I haven't measured it out yet, and I haven't even used it yet, like extended it all the way, so I'm really not sure. But it's pretty cool. And the ring light, and you open the box. So unfortunately, this one did not come with any instructions. I don't know whether the instructions were taken out or I don't know. So you have this little thing, this little box. So I have this, which is the ball head to clamp up the ring light. You're gonna see that when I'm setting it up. And then I also have this little thing. This is the phone holder, so you put this here and then you can use it to hold your phone. I know I got a stand, but I could always use this as well instead of using a stand, but I just wanted to have a stand because sometimes I won't be filming with the ring light, so it'll be very annoying to have to pull it out, and I really needed a stand, no lie. So yeah, this is the light itself. It comes with 2 different settings. So this is the setting, and then when you turn it on, you can change the different settings over here and stuff. So yeah, and then let me show you guys. Okay, so if you want the ring light, I got it for, it was very affordable. It's around 30,000. If you would want one, just let me know. I think I can talk to the girl who I got it from. And then the next thing that I got is this tripod stand. Yeah, it's a very basic stand. Like, it's not the most sturdy. My ring light, the stand is extra sturdy, but this one's not. So this is the phone holder. I already opened this. Oh, and I love this about it. It comes in a little case. So I got this from the China shop Jabali. It was 11,500. It's something I've been planning on getting since last year, but I never got around to doing it. And I keep, like I said, I keep breaking my stands. I use a selfie stick and I put it in water, but I think we took things out of the house recently, so someone might have thrown it away and I couldn't find another bottle to do that with. So yeah, so this is the stand, and then the phone holder. And see, it has that little level thing, so you can see how leveled if your thing is straight. So just screw this on there. And yeah, basically, oh, this actually screwed on tightly. I didn't do that yesterday. And yeah, you're good. So this extends to how long? I think this is about 1.5 meters, so it's shorter than my ring light stand, but that's okay because it's something that I'm just gonna use for now because I really needed a stand. Maybe in future I'll get a better stand, but this is like an inexpensive stand that you can use for now, or you can use selfie sticks. I will show you my old stands, but like I said, I broke the other one, so I need to fix it first, and then I can't find the bottle thingy of the rocks that I used to use, but I think I'll do a video on this. Is the ring light thingy. This is the thing for the ring light, the stand, as you can see. So I'm just gonna work with the top part. So here's how it comes. It comes with this little top thingy, and then remember we have the ball head. So I'm just gonna take that out because the ball head goes on first. Where does this go? Oh, okay, so you tighten that up. I didn't know that yesterday when I tried this. And then I was this is your ball head. So this part goes into the ring light and this side goes into the stand. So the stand came with this in case some of you get ring lights from her and you're not sure what to do, or if you get a ring light and you're not sure what to do. So it comes with this little twist on thing, so you just twist it off. Yep, and I think that thing is basically useless because I was trying to find a use for it, but I couldn't. So yeah, and then this side, it has a screw side, and then it goes on to there. So you just basically screw that on there. Yep, so I'm just gonna set this aside onto the ring light itself. So this is the light, and then you have the phone holder. So I've seen a lot of people do this where they take pictures with the phone holder still on, and they're not even using the phone holder. I don't know why people do that. I don't know. You want us to see that you have a ring light? It's cool. I mean, it's cool. I'm not judging or anything. I'm super excited about mine, so I understand everybody gets excited, but you can remove this little piece right here. Anyways, let me just show you how to set it up. So it came like that. So I took off this screw thing, so I was talking. Took off this screw thing, so it has this ball head thing over here, and then it has a little space in there. So you just basically push that in, like you really have to use force, and then you take this and you screw it on. And once you do that, your phone holder is basically secure. So this thing is flexible, and I like how flexible it is. It's not, it keeps its shape, unlike my phone stand, the flexible stand that I have. Once I bend it, it's going to be really hard. It's really hard to move it out, but this keeps its shape. So this goes, if you look over there on the ring light, there's a little space, so you can screw that on over there, and you can easily remove it. You can screw it out if you want it gone. But anyways, for this video, I'm just gonna keep it on. Just gonna keep it on there. But yeah, so you can have that there. But like I said, you can remove this. There's no need to take pictures with this thing on. Okay, so got that there. So I'm just gonna pick this up. So this is the ball head, and then I'm just gonna screw this on here, the ring light, because it has that little screw on thingy at the bottom. So I'm just gonna screw it on and put it on the stand, being careful not to drop it. So this is me without the ring light, and then I'm just gonna turn it on so you guys can see. Okay, so that's with the ring light. I'm filming using the front camera right now, so it's not as clear as it would be with the back camera. This is basically the ring light. This is what it looks like. And by the way, this is 9 p.m. so this is full on ring light, including the little bulb in my room. So this is just a ring light on my phone, and that I am definitely in love. So it has different light settings. So I'm gonna lower the brightness. See, that's me lowering the brightness, and yeah, that's the lowest setting. And then I can change it to a different type of brightness. So this is the warm setting. The warm setting isn't looking so good in this lighting, but it actually looks amazing in natural light and stuff. So yeah, so that was the lowest setting, and that is me turning up the brightness. And this would definitely look better if I was filming with my back camera, but this is perfectly fine. So I think that's the brightest you can go. Yeah, and then next we have this. So this is like a blue tone light. I think I'm just gonna use this for pictures. I don't think I'm gonna use it for filming because it's not the most satisfying. Yeah. So this is what this looks like. Oh wait, actually I'm gonna like it. And then, oops, I turned it off. Okay. So this is what this one looks like, and lowering it, that's what it looks like. And it looks very natural. Yeah. So this is my ring light, so I'm just gonna leave it here because I think this looks really good. So a few things I'm gonna say. I absolutely love the length of the stand itself, because as you guys saw, I don't know if I'm gonna insert it somewhere here, but as you guys saw, like, it was so high I couldn't even reach it, and that was it coming all the way from the ground. It couldn't even fit in the frame of my video. So that's all the way coming from the ground to the top, and it was so high. It's like 2 meters long. That's how long the stand is, which is great. I can basically use it for everything. I can use it as an overhead light. I can do whatever I want with it. And another thing I love is the 3 light settings, as you guys saw, different brightness settings and the different temperature of the light itself.